Welcome back. FBI Director Christopher Wray revealing new details on the assassination attempt on former President Trump during his testimony on Capitol Hill yesterday. Wray admitted that the gunman was not on the FBI's radar before the shooting. He also said that the gunman had been researching the JFK assassination earlier in the day and then flew a drone near the rally site 2 hours before he shot former President Trump. Last night, the House voted unanimously to create a bipartisan task force to investigate the assassination attempt. And today, the new acting director of the Secret Service is scheduled to testify before 3 Senate committees after former Secret Service Director Kimberly Cheadle resigned on Tuesday. House Oversight Committee Chairman James Comer putting out this statement. The Oversight Committee's hearing resulted in Director Cheadle's resignation, and there will be more accountability to come. While Director Cheadle's resignation is a step toward accountability, we need a full review of how these security failures happened so that we can prevent them going forward. Joining me now is the man himself, Kentucky Congressman and the chairman of the House Oversight Committee, James Comer. Mr. Chairman, thanks very much for being here this morning.
Good morning, Maria.